Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set notification preferences on the Tumblr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the last icon down below that you can find in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the settings option in the upper right corner, then tap on general settings. Click on notifications. And here you can first of all, you should allow the app to have access to your notifications, so tap on go to settings and then you will be directed to your phone's settings where you need to click on notifications, then tap on allow notifications, thereby allowing the app to have access to it. By going back to the app itself, you can find this activity recommendations section in which you can turn on a bunch of functions such as notes. So when a cheesebot reblogged your photo, when someone started following you, when there is a message sent to you, and you can also select whether you want to get notifications only from those people you follow. Then you can also get notifications about the conversational notes. In the recommendation sections, you can choose from or turn on 3 options. Actually, the first one is news, answer times, and other goings on. Then popular posts and stuff that happen while you are away, and occasional alerts about your favorite Tumblr. So if you want to turn on and off any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.